Conquest shoulder screws. Precision fasteners designed for applications requiring smooth rotation, accurate alignment, and controlled movement. Featuring a knurled socket head and a smooth precision ground shoulder between the head and threads, they provide a durable bearing surface for moving parts and assemblies. Ideal for pulleys, hinges, guide mechanisms, and sliding components, shoulder screws help reduce friction while maintaining consistent spacing and alignment. They're built to resist wear, handle repeated motion, and perform reliably in demanding environments. Whether you're in manufacturing, automation, or equipment assembly, these fasteners deliver the precision, strength, and performance your applications depend on.